Namaste. This is Professor S. Lal from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. And friends, you know that in the series of my lecture on modeling, today I am here to discuss about some specific type of models. And I have already discussed with you that what is the role and what is the significance of model. You know, mathematical model is a live event for you to understand any engineering problem, any engineering design aspect. And in case of representation of any practical fact related to the data, it is required to use this specific model. So I am sharing some facts, and I hope that you will enjoy this lecture as usual. I request that in case you are finding this lecture suitable for you, that kindly you subscribe the channel and you like and put your comment so that we can provide you a sufficient number of lectures related to this all. So I hope it is visible, and today I'm here to discuss about some specific mathematical models. And you see that mathematical models are basically finite elements model, computational fluid dynamics model, electric power grid load flow models, simulation models. So I hope we have already discussed these all, and so you please hear. I'm here going to show you that what is actually white box model. So white box model is what? After that we shall see black box models. So learners, you please note that systems which are modeled entirely based on physical principles are called white box models. Physical principles means like principle of thermodynamics, principle of conservation of energy, principle of fluid mechanics, and other principle of elasticity, principle of surface tensions. So those models which are completely based on, means entirely they are modeled and they are based on the physical principles, means principles that you have gone through in your physics, and you are going to do something in physics, or you are aware about the fact that each principle you are going to use that is related to physics, means everything is clear that which principle of physics is going to be used. So in that circumstance, such models are called white box models. Here the use has all the details concerning how the system works. The specific characteristic of such models, means white box models, are that here it is clear, and we are having details regarding the concern that how the system is going to work, which principle of physics is working here. So friends, this is very interesting fact for you, that if you are knowing physics, then you are able to understand, or you are able to explain the white box models. And this is very important, significant instrument for you, tool for you, for your presentation, for your illustration, any design, any other related problem of engineering. So I hope it is clear. And as I told you, physics law and principle and white box, you can see here mechanical systems, Newton's law, Hooke's law, means Newton's law, means in case you are going to mechanics, means general physics, means statics and dynamics both, and the system that you are going to deal with all the principle related to inertia, all the principle related to gravitations and others as I discuss with you, like Newton's law, Hooke's law, and others law which are going to be used, or which had been used in physics and you are using in your model. So in that case, your that model is a white box model because everything is clear, everything is white, nothing is hidden. And you are also very much concerned that what aspect, what fact you are going to deal with. So this is the concept of white box model, and I hope it is clear. So thank you very much for listening this white box model, and I hope you are going to enjoy this. Thank you very much.